the channel, and today we're gonna be doing a little sort of tutorial, and I actually didn't think about the logistics of this, but anyway, let's get started. So today we're gonna be using the Lee Stafford Chopstick Curler, which you probably have heard about. It's basically this thin little thing here, and it resembles a chopstick, and basically creates really tight curls. And I'm really excited to try it because I've been hearing so much about it, people love it, and so yes, let's start this. Before though, we're gonna brush my hair. I was gonna say our hair, but we're gonna brush my hair because I feel like it's so much easier if you have your hair brushed and the curls get more like defined and everything, so let's do that. My scalp is a little oily, so we're gonna be applying dry shampoo, but we'll do that after the curls. I think that's better. So right now we're just gonna brush the product out, and that's me. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of squalane oil from the Ordinary, because it's a really cheap oil that is also really good for heat protection, and it's also really lightweight, so it won't weight the hair down. I'm just applying that loosely, and also adds shine to the hair, so you're just gonna let a little section of the hair down and the rest goes up in a bun. And let's do this. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna get a small section of it and see how we got on from there. I should have a glove, but I actually lost mine, so think happy thoughts. Oh wow, that is so cute. Oh my god, this is gonna be awesome. It would be easier to have a glove. This doesn't come with a glove, which I think is really sad because I think it should have. But you can get gloves on Amazon, or like pretty much anywhere else, but on Amazon you can get like gloves, just the glove. I did have a glove that I got with other curling tongs, but I don't know where it is. Like half the bar, and you can probably use this on real long hair as well, and that's really cool. So I feel like most tongs are really short when you have really long hair. Like this will take a while. I'm gonna time it to see how much it is, but yeah, this is gonna take a while. The final look. Joking. Everything done, but there's a few hairs always that kind of miss, and so I'm just gonna go ahead and do those. And they're just a few hairs, so you don't need to kind of wait. You just curl them up and open them away. Even those little hairs, they get like Yeah. Or if there's like a curl that's not really that good, just redo it. Hello! I'm gonna apply hairspray, but I'm gonna apply hairspray after this because my hair really holds a curl really well, and so I prefer to kind of relax them a little before I apply hairspray. So if your hair doesn't hold texture well and doesn't hold curls very well, you can feel free to apply the hairspray before brushing it out. I'm gonna take my SHEA Moisture, and this is their Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Correct Finishing Elixir. It's a mouthful, and I'm gonna run it through my hair. Because it has a lot of texture now, I'm gonna apply this oil quite liberally and try to kind of undo the curls a little bit. I'm gonna put the time here of how long it took me because honestly, I lost track of it, but I do have it like in the record, so I'm gonna put the time that it took here. There's a couple things that I need to say as well, like this is really cool, but also for me personally, it's like a once in a while thing because it really damages the hair, not only the heat, but also kind of the tight curling and the getting it out of the chopstick because my hair is so dry and so damaged and it breaks off really easily. If I do this even every week, it's a lot of hair to kind of lose. So for me, it would definitely be a more every once in a while thing, but I do really like it. I think I'm gonna go with the brush a little bit just because I'm not even able to go with my fingers through the curls. So I'm just gonna brush a little bit, not too much, but enough to kind of open them up a little. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of dry shampoo to my roots because they were a little bit oily to begin with, and this is gonna lift a little bit here because they're kind of way down. I'm gonna apply just a little bit more oil to my ends because they're quite dry. And this SHEA Moisture Elixir is also really good for like giving shine and definition to curls. Yeah, I feel like in the back I still have some to kind of split apart. I'm just gonna go with my hairspray, even though I don't really think I need it. I'm just gonna go and put a little bit of spray like from afar, just to kind of let that sink in. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you liked this video. I know you're always asking for more hair tutorials, so I hope you liked it, even though it's kind of a little funky one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more. Don't forget to click the little bell button so you know every single time I upload, and let me know what other videos you want to see from me. And I love you. Bye!